Threading table cleaning process.
Safety precautions during cleaning.
Always turn off the switch and unplug the power cord before cleaning. Do not spray water directly into the motor compartment or electrical panel. Begin by removing the accessories and getting them ready for cleaning. Pay attention to the joints to make assembly and disassembly easier. Remove and empty clumped powder from the waste bin. Clean the table surface and frame with the cloth and solution. Wipe again with a damp cloth to remove chemicals. Soak accessories for 7-10 minutes to soften residue for easier cleaning. Rinse with a spray nozzle, then use a soft cloth or brush to remove stuck-on powder. Dry the accessories, place them on the table to air dry completely. Attach the cleaned accessories back to the equipment. Hotline for support, 091912006809 16120068.